The fact of the matter is that we're not in a very comfortable position, but the fact of the matter is also very clearly, let me say this, we are not in any risk of a default. This is something that I have to very clearly, categorically tell you, that Alhamdulillah, we have our external financing needs insured for next year, the year 2023. So the imminent fear in everyone's mind has to be just clear. We are out of deep waters, and inshallah, alhamdulillah, there is no such fear. However, the challenges are very significant. We have to keep our guards up. We have to keep a very close watch, and we have to move forward. But these are some of the challenges that we have to, which are there in the short run. We have taken measures to overcome them. There is some success, as I am indicating to you, as revealed by some of the key indicators. But are we sustainably out of it in a persistent manner, so that the boom-bust cycles that we have experienced over our long-term history are not repeated? I will end up being very candid and say to you that we need to do a lot. While things are in control in the short run, we need to persistently work and structurally reform the economy, so that this need that we have, on an average over the last, since the 1990s at least, we've been going back to the IMF every 2.5 years. We only go to IMF when we are in trouble.